Here with the 1999 Toyota Rav4, and this will be a short reference video for replacing the front brake pads and rotors. So let's get started. You want to begin by popping the hood and removing the cap from the master brake cylinder to prevent pressure buildup when we compress the caliper pistons. I'm using this part of the subframe as a jacking point to lift the entire front end off the ground and setting jack stands under the pinch wheel on either side. And you'll need a 21mm socket to remove the lug nuts. I'm turning the steering wheel to gain better access to the two caliper fasteners, and I'm using a C-clamp to compress the caliper piston and a 14mm socket to remove the bolts. Now remove these two caliper bracket bolts with a 17mm socket. I ordered the new brakes and rotors online from Detroit Axle, and I'll leave a product link in the description below. Also important to note, the new rotors come covered in packing grease so they don't rust during shelf life, so you'll need to clean that off before installation. Also, check the condition of your guide pins. They should slide in and out freely, but if they don't like this one, you'll need to remove it with a pair of pliers, spray it down with some brake cleaner, and apply some brake parts lubricant to keep it from seizing up.